Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove text from video without blur in CapCut. Let's get started. Open the CapCut application on your phone. Tap the new project, tap the library. You can find your own video or from the library. For example, try the video with text. This one, for example, I want to remove this loading text. Add the project. So make sure you screenshot this one. You can screenshot this picture first. After that, you can edit this picture. You can crop it, and then you can edit this text with your phone image editor on your phone, or you can use your third party to erase this loading text. After that, you can go back into the CapCut application, and then you can make an overlay here. Add overlay, and this is the image without text, and adjust the duration. So make sure the duration same with the video. So it is done. As you can see, the text is gone. So you can do it without blur effect. You can do it with a little bit editor beside the CapCut application. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.